So what's up guys, Bonkers Barco here, and last episode we built an elevator where you just press a button, it goes up. Look, so this button goes up, and that is very nice. Yeah, this time you need a setup like this. I don't know what to call it. It has to be like this, like, yeah, you see where the blocks are placed exactly. Has to be exactly there, otherwise it'll just, like, the pistons will just push, yeah, into the block, and you don't want that. So let's just build this right there. Right, there we go. And basically, we're gonna do this later, but you don't want to. Sorry, you want to put the lever there. Yeah, what you don't want to do is put the lever there, because you won't be able to connect it, as you can see here in this example. So it's going to break that, and oh, I don't like that on the floor. I'm just going to pick it up because it looks super messy. Anyway, so let's just carry on with our build. So right here, wait, do you need that there? Yeah, wait, yeah. I'm not just placing it there because why not? So you want to make the base and just build what I've built right now, and you want to place a block there, and then you place another one there and another one there, so it's like a sort of like a platform. I don't know, you want it like that long, that length. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure this can work with any block. It doesn't have to be oak wood. Yeah, I just use that because it looks nice. Yeah, so we're just going to put the lever there, and then we're going to put a decoration. I don't know, but we don't want, like, the blocks to show in the other one. Yeah, so we're just going to put some redstone there from the lever, sorry, not the leader. But you put some piston here, and you're just going to put a redstone bit on top of it. And you want wood here. Like every other block, you want to put in wood, just as I'm doing here. And then, yeah, I'm not really sure where they would meant to go on the other side, but then you want to play piston in between the wood. There we go, like this, and put some wood on next to the piston. No, not wood and wood next to the piston. So you've got a set up like this. Now, what you want to do is, it's very simple, this bit. Basically, yeah, as you can see, yeah, but when you click the lever, the block goes into place. So what you would want to do is just build this here. Oh, no, not there. Yeah, so just so it hides all the mechanics and stuff. Yeah, so no, not yet. Might take me a while to build. Alright, I'm almost done, and this block there. Oh, I don't like it being night. They're not teleport, time, day. Alright, there we go. Much nicer. Now let's just build here, the redstone, and we're going to put a repeater there with, you don't want to click it, no, so it goes insanely fast, and not on top of the piston. No, I just break the wood. Anyway, I meant to break the redstone repeater. So put it on top of the wood, and then we're going to repeat this. We're just going to put the redstone here. So it's like a nice little pattern. And we're going to do this on both sides, but on the other side, we're going to do it a tiny bit differently. Not that much, but yeah. So we are pretty much done with this side, actually. Yeah, we're already quite far through. Anyway, so now what happens? Yes, he's gonna put that there, and if you flick the, wait, no, I'm just gonna put a little platform here first. Wait a minute. There we go. Oh, how did I just do that? Anyway, so now if you flick the lever, the blocks will come, and it looks very nice because the pistons are doing it. Anyway, so if you don't want to really build the other half, and you just want to parkour across, you can do that. but there's also another way to build the other side. So I'm just gonna build a sneaky thing down here. Very sneaky. There we go. And just gonna put it on the other side as well. So it's like sort of, I don't know, W shape. Yeah, diagonal W. Anyway, so now we're gonna put some, not some, but a redstone repeater here. And, oh, I don't want the switch on. No, let's just turn it off. Alright, yeah, that just looks so nice. Anyway, so let's just put the redstone here. Oh, and that doesn't connect? What? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, if I put it here, it's redstone there, but I'm just going to check if it works. Let's just flick the lever. There we go. And, oh, yes, actually it does work. I don't want that on again, so I'm just going to flick it off again. Sorry for saying again. But anyway, so, just going to put some lever here, and some redstone. Redstone there. And as you can see here, we placed no block there. So instead of placing no block, we're going to place a piston there. So it sort of like comes together a bit more, and you can just walk across it. And you're going to place the piston that direction, just like we did before. And piston, every other one. Wait, this might take a long time. No, actually it didn't. Anyway, so now we're just gonna basically have to place some more wood, just wood. It doesn't have to be wood, be any block, I think. Anyway, pretty much any block. Yeah, I'm pretty sure any block. But I'm pretty sure it's any wood as well. So I'm just going to use wood for this example. And it just looks like two L's, but I'm just going to make one big L and one short L. Anyway. Now, what we're going to do... Wait a minute. Is that... Yeah, I'm just going to place that there to make it look nicer. Anyway, let's just put some blocks there. And, oh, we already put some blocks there. That looks nice. So now we're just going to put some blocks here, just like fun, just to make it look nice. You know, like to make it look like a proper wall, and then a proper bridge. Yeah, we don't want a half wall, half bridge. Oh, mini bridge. So just yeah. So we're just gonna do exactly what we did before: redstone repeaters, redstone repeater, redstone, and so on and so on. I'm just going to do this a tiny bit more quicker. Anyway, so let's just put some redstone here. There. Now we're going to put some wood and just lay it along here, like so. There we go. So, by the way, we'll make it look super nice by the end. Yeah, so it will look fancy. It's gonna try and block this off for now. Like like I'm doing here. Anyway, so that is the bridge pretty much done, really. I mean, I'm just gonna fast forward this bit because yeah, it's just decoration, and yeah. So that is basically the bridge done. Looks really nice. As you can see here, I'm just gonna, decorate the walls so you cannot see the mechanics. But if you do that, and then, yeah, it's just a clean, straight bridge. So anyway, that is the build done and almost fully decorated. Yeah, so if you just click that, it just looks so nice, and you can just walk across it. There we go. And yeah, so that is the end of today's episode, and I'll see you all later.